Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find additional resources on your account on Xswitcher, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy, and here you'll find this as you see additional resources, and here you can manage it. You can manage your additional resources settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. That's how to find additional resources settings, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.